Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a to the power of 6 equals to 6 to the power of 6, and we solve this problem for the values of a. So here first we need to focus in the right hand side. So now we move the term in the right hand side from left hand side. It will be written as this is a to the power of 6 minus this will become 6 to the power of 6, and this whole equals to 0. And now here in the next step we rewrite this equation as we write this a to the power of 6 as a cubed and its whole square minus we write this 6 as 6 cubed and its whole square. So here we break the exponent of these two terms in this way, and this whole equals to 0. And now here in the next step we use here this nice algebraic formula. You know that if you have x square minus y square, it is equals to x minus y times of x plus y. According to this formula we write our above equation as this is a cubed minus 6 cubed into a cubed plus 6 cubed, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here further in the next step we need to divide this into the two cases, so that the first case is we write a cubed minus 6 cubed equals to 0, and the second case is we write a cubed plus 6 cubed equals to 0. So we call this is our equation number 1, and we call this is our equation number 2. So from this equation we need to focus on these two equations in order to find the values of a. So that here first we will solve our equation number 1. So if we copy down equation number 1 here, it is a cubed minus 6 cubed equals to 0. And here we apply the nice cubic formula. You know about this formula. If we have x cubed minus y cubed, it is equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. So according to this cubic formula we write our above equation as this is a cubed minus 6 cubed, it will becomes a minus 6 times of a square plus this is a into 6 plus this is 6 square equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as a minus 6 times of a square plus 6a plus 6 square equals to 36, and this whole equals to 0. So now we divide this equation into the two cases, so that the first case is we write a minus 6 equals to 0, and the second case is we write a square plus 6a plus 36 equals to 0. So in this case we easily get the value of a equals to 6, and now here we need to focus on this quadratic equation. So here we can apply the quadratic formula. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, capital B equals to 6, and capital C equals to 36. And we know about the quadratic formula. It is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of AC divided by 2 times of A. So here we need to substitute the values of A, B and C here in this formula, and it will be written as A equals to minus B. The value of B is minus 6 plus minus square root of B square. B is 6 square minus 4 times of A is 1 and C is 36. And it is divided by 2 times of a, so here our a is equals to 1. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as a equals to minus 6 plus minus square root of 6 square becomes 36 minus this is 4 times of 36, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is 2. So we again rewrite this term as minus 6 plus minus, here we take common 36 and we get 1 minus 4 and its square root, and it is divided by 2. So here you see that the square root of 36 equals to 6, and 1 minus 4 equals to minus 3 square root, and we break this fraction and we write this 2 separately on both of these terms. So it will be written as a is equals to minus 3 plus minus 3 times of square root of 3. We know that the square root of minus 1 equals to iota. These are cancelled by each other. 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6. So here you get the values of a is equals to minus 3 plus minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota. So these are the two complex roots of the given equation. And now here, in order to find the other roots, we need to focus on equation number 2. So that from equation number 2 we copy down equation number 2 here. It is a cubed plus 6 cubed equals to 0. And now here we can apply the other cubic formula. You know that if you have x cubed plus y cubed, it is equals to x plus y times of x square minus xy plus y square. So according to this formula, we write our above equation as this is a plus 6 times of a square minus a times of 6 plus 6 square, and this whole equals to 0. So here we have this is a plus 6 times of a square minus this is a times of 6 becomes 6a plus this 6 square equals to 36, and this whole equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplification, and it will be written as a plus 6 equals to 0 and a square minus 6a plus 36 equals to 0. So from this case we easily get the value of a equals to minus 6. This is the fourth root of given equation, and here we can apply again the quadratic formula. So we write the coefficients of this equation. So capital A equals to 1, capital B equals to minus 6, and capital C equals to 36. So we write our quadratic formula as a equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we write the values of, we put the values of a, b and c here. So the value of b is minus 6. This is minus times of minus becomes plus 6, and plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 6 square is 36, and this is 4 times of a is 1 and c is 36, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is also equals to 1. And now in the next step we have this is a is equals to 6 plus minus. Here we will take common 36, and we get the remaining terms are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. So further we have in the next step we rewrite this term as a equals to 6 plus minus. We know that the square root of 36 is 6, and square root of 1 minus 4 equals to minus 3, and it is divided by 2. So here we break this fraction, and it will be written as 6 over 2 plus minus 6 over 2, and we know that this is square root of 3, and the square root of minus 1 equals to iota. This is 2 times of 3 is 6, and 2 times of 3 is 6. So we get a equals to 3 plus minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota. These are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.